Now, this question is a mass to mole problem. So the question says calculate the mass, and we are given 0.941 moles of copper nitrate. So that means we are going to use the conversion 1 mole is equal to the molar mass in grams. Okay, so we're starting with 0.941 moles, and that's copper nitrate, CuNO3 2. Now, since moles is given, that means we know that we're going to have moles in the bottom of the second section. Now, again, you will really at this point in time only be using 1 for the number of moles. You might be given a different number of moles, but when you're writing your conversions, we only use 1 right now. And then in order to convert to grams, which of course mass is in grams, and you should always know that, you are going to have to solve for the molar mass. And in order to do that, you are going to have to calculate the mass of all of the components of copper nitrate added together. So copper is 63.5 on the periodic table when you look at the atomic mass, and there's 1, so obviously that's going to equal 63.5. Then you have nitrogen, and its atomic mass on the periodic table is 14, and you have 2 of those. This is distributed through, remember. Okay, so that's 28. Then oxygen is atomic number 16, or excuse me, its atomic mass is 16, and then 2 times 3 is equal to 6. So there are 6 of those, and 6 times 16 is 96. When you add all of those together, you get 187.5. And so that is what will go on the top of this section right here. Okay, so we've crossed out moles, we've canceled moles, and we end up with grams, which is mass, and that is what we were going for. So then the last thing you need to do is simply calculate, and the way that you do that is by multiplying 0.941 times 187.5, okay? And I don't like the fact that I put it just under here, but that's why I changed colors. And then when you do that multiplication, you will come up with the number 176 grams of copper nitrate.